Hi everyone, it's Miss Harkins, and this video is going to focus on how to organise your research effectively using the tools within Google Keep. I am going to show you how to add labels to your research, theme colours and images. And these tools are meant to help you to quickly identify which piece of research goes with certain projects. This will help you to carry out your projects much more efficiently. As you can see in Google Keep, I have two pieces of research for my geography project, but I have also started a new project for history on the topic of the Roaring Twenties. On the left-hand side of my screen, you can see that I have the option that says Edit Labels. So if I click this now, I can now begin to create new labels. So I'm going to call the first one Geography. And I'm going to add another one, and I'm going to call this History. Now the two labels have appeared here, but if I actually click on them, there's nothing in them yet. So we now need to add our research into my labels. Now to do this, I need to go back to my notes. And as you can see, if I hover over this section here where it says more, if I click on this, I can now select this option that says Add Label. And I can either add this to my geography label or my history label. And as this is part of my history project, I'm going to click on History. I'm going to do the same for these two, Add Label, Geography, Add Label, Geography. My notes have now become clearly labelled, so History, Geography and Geography. And if I click under the relevant label, you can now see that all of the work associated with geography has now been placed under the Geography label and the same as History. So the research under these titles are now relevant to the particular subjects. To develop this even further, I can actually change the theme colour. So I will need to go to the notes section, and all of my research is currently on this one page. So I'm going to use colours to make the research a lot more clearer and to stand out. So I'm going to change my history research. If I click on this colour here, you can see it changes colour to purple. So anything associated with history, I'm going to make sure is in the colour purple. I'm now going to go to my geography notes, and I'm going to make sure that anything under the geography section is pink. So that one I'm going to make pink. And I'm going to do the same for this one. And as you can see, the colours make the research a lot more clearer to identify. I can also attach images to a piece of research to make it even more clearer and even more explicit. So if I hover over the note and I select this option here that says Add Image, then just go to Pictures, and I've already saved this image called the Roaring Twenties. I'm going to double click on this, and as you can see, that image has now attached itself to that note, making it even more clearer that this piece of research is on the Roaring Twenties. So there are three ways to quickly organise and manage your research so that whenever you need to use a piece of research for a project, you can quickly and efficiently identify which piece of research that project is required for.